Hey, so sorry I'm late.
A jealous Lois makes passive-aggressive comments about Sarah not having children, while Sarah makes a joke about Lois not being invited to the Emmys. Oh, and Peter's pretending to be sick in the episode or something? Not gonna lie, this is a difficult episode to break down. Peter and Lois leave the booth to argue outside, but eventually come back in to finish the commentary.
Oh, you guys are back just in time for my big role.
Hey, take it down a notch, Sarah. You don't even have an entry on the Family Guy wiki.
Well, she does now. Peter gets a very long music, too keen on the task despite the overwhelming smell. Luckily, Stewie has an idea, but Brian's not going to like it.
Eat it. What? Eat it, Brian. You're out of your mind.
Well, Brian is a dog. Dogs do that stuff sometimes. But Brian would rather shoot himself than do that. Good thing there's no gun here, right? Before anything can get too out of hand, Stewie remembers that he has a cell phone. Hallelujah. With a low battery, they need to make this call count. Clearly their priorities aren't matching up because Stewie decides to call the store he was trying to return the sweater to. When Brian finally manages to wrangle the phone from him, it dies.
My sweet Muriel. She was so young. She was so beautiful. She was so generous.
With their main suspect dead, the group needs to act fast before they're dead by daylight. Not the video game. As the night goes on, more guests start to be picked off, including Jillian's boyfriend Derek and James Woods' girlfriend Priscilla. My favorite characters, how could they? Priscilla is found in Tom Tucker's room, making him suspect numero uno. The anchorman quickly flees the scene, but is quickly caught. The next morning, the bridge is repaired and Tom is taken away.
Next step, you take the yeast, as the set is a very basic cooking yeast, you put it in a cup, add a generous amount of sugar on top, and mix it around until it becomes liquid. For the mixing to a gopnik beer, use your artistic skill to mix it around.
Son, you left your laptop upstairs. Son, I didn't have time to go to the store to get you a real birthday card, so I got you this. Whoa. $5? Thank you, Dad. I'm a good dad. Steady.
Been in the garage for months, using it in a few of my videos, so I think it's time for it to go. Spend the most time. Well, I'm depressed now. So if these two This was $50. These were $15. That was $20. This was $60 more than standard, and this was $160. I feel bad for getting such a damn good deal. And now, let's waste it. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety may have already tested the real Model S, but what about the kid version? How will you know if your kids will be safe in an accident? I'll test it. First up, the full width front crash test. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're good. I give the duct tape 2 stars out of 5. Car is damaged a bit, but I didn't feel a thing in there. The pedestrian hit test.
How well will you fare and the pedestrian if you hit one? Let's find out.
Pretty good. The driver probably will be alive and I had a soft landing.